Third party is highly formidable. They try to bring in some people to challenge the credibility of the party, the party leadership in Osun State. They failed. They brought in another candidate from maybe a kind of organized fashion that was not existing. They failed. So we have passed that stage. God has helped us to overcome those challenges. And what we have in front of us now is how to campaign, ensure that we win the election, and we protect our votes during the election. And we believe that if INEC, maybe they are able to play their own role as a neutral arbiter, and they are able to do what is needful, our third party will not have any problem. No problem for us again. What is left for us is victory, and by the grace of God, we shall get our victory.
Go to the Ife today. You will see what the Ademola did in Ife. Go to the Elisha, Iwo. Even immediately we are come to the Ife Dayo. We are seeing what the Ademola did in local government. The assessment of Ademola Adeleke, no anybody can condemn it. By the grace of God, I will go to the red carpet in Abuja. I will bring good thing to this senatorial district.
Senator Nurudeen Jackson Ademola Adeleke is a blessed man, a child of destiny, whom the Lord has chosen himself. And that is why he's doing everything he's doing, despite the blockages, despite the troubles, and he's still triumph, he's still doing well. Same thing applicable to Alhaji Ganiu Olaoluwa.